Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, just click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!